How to sign out of Riot application using your mobile device or your tablets. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. So in this video we are gonna learn how to sign out of your Riot application. First of all, launch open the Riot app on your device and make sure you are in the home screen or the news screen. Once you're in, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. After you're inside your profile section, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. Now you'll see a sign out button popping up at the very bottom of the settings menu. Tap on it and click on sign out in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Riot client using your mobile device or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.